As discussed, in this one, we'll be learning how we can provide a style to our application, and along with that, we'll also be doing some refactoring. So here you can now see that we have a nav bar and the cart is coming on the right side, and then we have the home tab. Down below, we have the data for the shop coming from FaunaDB. Now, if I go back to my code, here's what we have done. We have created a global.css file which resides inside the styles directory. Now, this is making use of Tailwind, and we are making use of following packages, base components, and utilities. Once we have defined this file, what we have done next is we have included that file in our underscore app.tsx. Once we have done that and included our nav component, the styling automatically applies when we run the application. Apart from that, we have also created another file called local.env.local, and here we have two keys, fauna key and fauna domain. The fauna key is then used over here inside the fauna handler to make the get request and get the shop data. This way, we have refactored the code and ensured that the configuration kind of stuff stays inside the env.local file, and we can then make use of the same by making use of process.env and then the name of the configuration parameter that we have defined in the env.local file. And once we run this application, this is the output that we are receiving. Now, in the next one, we'll be adding more products to our FaunaDB, and then we'll be displaying them within the shop that we have created in our Next.js application.